Dear student, welcome back to Ask Rare Class Notes YouTube channel. As we have started solving 195 SLO based computer of class 11 unit wise in 9 lectures. Today in lecture 3 we will solve 20 MCQs on the central processing unit of unit 3. All lecture links are given in the description. Before starting lecture number 3, I once again request you to please support and subscribe to my YouTube channel. MCQs number 1. Which part of the computer performs the fetch, decode, and execute cycle? Option A, ALU. Option B, control unit. Option C, output unit. Option D, register. Correct answer is option B, control unit. MCQs number 2. Where are the results of ALU operations transferred? Option A, base register. Option B, counter register. Option C, data register. Option D, accumulator register. Correct answer is option D, accumulator register. MCQs number 3. Which of these buses selects a memory word for a read or write operation? Option A, data bus. Option B, control bus. Option C, address bus. Option D, system bus. Correct answer is option C, address bus. MCQs number 4. Which of these registers controls the sequence in which instructions are fetched from memory for execution? Option A, program counter. Option B, memory buffer register. Option C, data register. Option D, counter register. Correct answer is option A, program counter. MCQs number 5. A memory word that is to be stored in or fetched from memory must first be transferred into which register? Option A, accumulator. Option B, data register. Option C, memory buffer register. Option D, program counter. Correct answer is option C, memory buffer register. MCQs number 6. Which instruction causes the transfer of instruction execution to the specified address? Option A, comparison. Option B, branch. Option C, shift. Option D, data movement. Correct answer is option B, branch. MCQs number 7. Which of these instructions will perform the addition of two numbers? Option A, operation. Option B, shift. Option C, comparison. Option D, data movement. Correct answer is option A, operation. MCQs number 8. Through which bus instructions are transferred from the main memory to the instruction register? Option A, control bus. Option B, address bus. Option C, hard disk. Option D, instruction bus. Correct answer is option D, instruction bus. MCQs number 9. How many distinct operations can be performed if the opcode of a microprocessor consists of bits? Option A, 4. Option B, 8. Option C, 16. Option D, 32. Correct answer is option C, 16. MCQs number 10. Which part of the computer decodes instructions? Option A, ALU. Option B, main memory. Option C, program counter. Option D, control unit. Correct answer is option D, control unit. MCQs number 11. Processor includes all of the following except Option A, ALU, Option B, RAM, Option C, Register, Option D, Control Unit. Correct answer is Option B, RAM. MCQs number 12. Dash coordinates the activities of all hardware. Option A, ALU. Option B, CU. Option C, Register. Option D, Cache. Correct answer is Option B, CU. MCQs number 13. Dash holds the data coming from or going to memory. Option A, MAR memory address register. Option B, DAR data address register. Option C, DR data register. Option D, MBR memory buffer register. Correct answer is Option D, MBR. MCQs number 14. Dash is not a data transfer instruction. Option A, move. Option B, load. Option C, add. Option D, exchange. Correct answer is Option C, add. MCQs number 15. Which of the following is an example of zero address instruction? Option A, stop. Option B, load. Option C, jump. Option D, exchange. Correct answer is Option A, stop. MCQs number 16. Which of the following processes has a clock speed of 1.7 GHz? Option A, P4. Option B, AMD. Option C, none. Option D, both. Correct answer is Option A, P4. MCQs number 17. Intel and AMD are manufacturers of Option A, Windows. Option B, processor. Option C, motherboards. Option D, monitors. Correct answer is Option B, processor. MCQs number 18. In Dash, step reads a new instruction from memory. Option A, fetch. Option B, decode. Option C, execute. Option D, read. Correct answer is Option A, fetch. MCQs number 19. What does the data bus carry? Option A, data. Option B, address. Option C, data and instructions. Option D, signal. Correct answer is Option C, data and instructions. MCQs number 20. A set of bits that tells the computer to perform a specific operation is called Option A, instruction code. Option B, opcode. Option C, operand. Option D, operation. Correct answer is Option A, instruction code. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question related to computer science, please write me in the comments. We will try our best to solve it for you. Class 11th and 12th PDF notes. Available at very nominal price. Please contact WhatsApp. If you like this efforts, please subscribe to the YouTube channel, and do not forget to like and share the video.